Hello everyone, in this part we are going to learn about how to find the area and perimeter for 2D shapes, okay? 2D means two dimensional, okay, where we can find two different dimensions. That's why we call them as 2D shapes, okay? So now let's get started. So first of all, you should know what is perimeter, okay? So for that I have taken an example, that's a square, okay? So square means all the four sides are equal, okay? So now we will see what is perimeter, okay? So perimeter, which is the distance around the outside of a shape, okay? So that is the distance around outside of the shape, okay? So that's shape, okay? So all the four sides are 10. So to find out the perimeter, we have to add all the four sides, okay? And to find out the area means which measures the space inside a shape. Okay, so that's mean this one. So this is the space. Okay, so that is the area. Okay, so now we will see briefly. Okay, so first I have taken a square. Okay, so to find out the perimeter for square, we have to add all the four sides. Okay, all of them are 10 because all the four sides are equal for square, right? So we have to add all the four sides. Okay, so when we add all the four sides, we can get 40 centimeter. Okay, and to find out the area for square, okay, so which is this inside space, okay, so that is given by length multiplied by width, okay, so that length also 10 here and the width also 10 here, okay, so 10 times 10 which is 100 centimeters square, okay, so this is all about the perimeter and area for square, okay, and the next one, it's a rectangle. For a rectangle also, here as you can see here, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so if it is 10, this also will be 10. Okay, and it is 5 centimeter here, and this also will be 5. Okay, so to find out the perimeter, we have to add all the four sides. Okay, so here this is 10, this 10. Okay, and here this is 5, here that's 5. And here this is 10, here this 10 and here this 5 and this 5. So we have to add all the four sides. Okay, finally we can get 30 centimeter. That is the perimeter for the rectangle. Okay, and to find out the area that is given by multiplying length and width. Okay, so length is the longest one and the width is the shortest one. Okay, so that is 10 multiplied by 5. Okay, so which is 50 centimeters square. Okay, so that's all about the perimeter and the area for the rectangle. Okay, and the next one, so which is the parallelogram. Okay, so for the parallelogram also we can have opposite sides are equal. Okay, so here that's length here that is 10 and here also will be 10. Okay, and here the width is 5, so this side also will be 5. Okay, so now what you have to do is for the perimeter we have to add all the four lengths. Okay, so here this is 10 here and this 5 and this 10 here and again this 1. So now we have to add all the four sides. Okay, so which is 30 centimeter. Okay, but to find out the area, this is the formula. Okay, so what you have to do is we have to multiply the base by height. Okay, so the base means the length here, that is 10 centimeter, and the height we can find inside of the parallelogram. Okay, so that is 3 centimeters. So now what we have to do is we have to multiply these two. Okay, so 10 times 3, that is 30 centimeters square. Okay, so this is all about perimeter and area for the parallelogram. Okay, right. And then triangle. Okay, so for a triangle, so all the three sides are there here. So to find out the perimeter, what we have to do? We have to add all the three sides. Okay, 10, 7, and 12. All of them are here. Okay, so we have to add them. And finally, we can get 29 centimeter. Okay, but to find out the area, this is the formula. Okay, so half into base. Okay, base is here, that is 12. Okay, and the perpendicular height. Okay, so height is given by 5. Okay, so that's a formula. So according to this formula, we have to substitute the numbers. Okay, so half here, that is same, and the base, that's 12, and the height. Okay, so now you can simplify. So 6 times 5, which is 30 centimeters square. Okay, so that is the area for the triangle. Okay, so now this is all about perimeter and the area for triangle. Okay, and then trapezium. Okay, so for trapezium, also we have to add all the four sides. Okay, so as you can see here, 4 centimeter, and here this is 8, okay, and here this is 5 and the 10. Okay, so we have to add all the four sides, and finally we can get 27 centimeter. Okay, but to find out the area for the trapezium, what you have to do is according to the formula we have to follow. Okay, so that is half here, half into b1 plus b2. Okay, so b1 is here, that is this length. Okay, so that is denoted by b1, so which is 8 here, and b2 means this length. Okay, so that is denoted by b2 here, and which is 10 here. Okay, and then after we have to add, or here we have to multiply by the height. Okay, so here we have to multiply by the height. Okay, so half is here, and b1 that is 8, and here this is 10. So when we add these two, we can get 18, and then after we have to multiply. Okay, so that is 3. Okay, so and then after you can simplify 9 times 3. Okay, so which is 27 centimeters square. Okay, so that's how we find out the area and the perimeter for a trapezium. Okay, and then circle. Okay, for a circle, so the perimeter is called by circumference. Okay, so circumference or perimeter. Okay, so that's the outer boundary of the circle. Okay, so that is given by this formula, 2 pi r. Okay, so pi means this one here, that is 22 by 7. Okay, so which is 3.14. Okay, so now we can substitute them here. 2 is here. Okay, and pi means here that is 3.14, and r is the radius. Okay, so for this circle the radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, so we can substitute that, and then we can multiply these three, and we can get 31.4 centimeter. Okay, and to find out the area for the circle, that is a formula here, pi r square. Okay, so pi is same here, that is 3.14. Here you can substitute, and r squared means r multiplied by r. It means radius multiplied by radius. Okay, so radius is 5 centimeter here, and again is 5. So we have to multiply them, and then we can get 78.5 centimeters square. Okay, so this is all about circumference and the area for the circle. Okay, so now this is summary. Okay, so as you can see here, the perimeter and the area for each and every 2D shape. Okay, so now hope you understood how to find the area and the perimeter for each and every 2D shapes. Okay, so thanks for watching everyone. Bye. See you all next time. Okay.